Hi. So, yesterday was chocolate milk day apparently, or something like that. I don't know. But I was looking at my tower of. Can you see my tower of cocoa powder? Yes, I have a lot. And I was reading this blurry hot cocoa recipe, and I was like, wow, they put where is it? Vanilla extract in there, and that interested me. So then I tried it. I just put this imitation vanilla flavor in my chocolate milk, and it was really good. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll make some, I guess. We got some Nesquik stuff. You can actually use cocoa powder to make it, but too much work. 3 Teletubby spoonfuls. You have to get the Tinky Winky and Poe spoon. Oops, you saw nothing. And we're gonna. Can you even see what I'm doing? Probably not, huh? You can see everything, but it's blurry. Excellent. And then I just eyeball it. Just dump some in. Oop. That was a bit much, but it's okay. It'll be extra delicious. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you today, because this was an important discovery. Then you have to use this shiny fork to stir it, because I don't like eating off of these. It makes me feel uncomfortable for some reason. It's too shiny. I don't want to put something that shiny in my mouth. I'm gonna get like lead poisoning or something. But anyways, that's it. That's it. I have a couple videos I already shot that I'm just too lazy to edit and publish, so maybe they'll come out soon. I don't know. See ya.